Heyo.
Gay.
Don't cuss. Raiders is so fun to play.
Yeah. No, unlucky.
That's my main now. As you can see.
I just want to play in some unrated or something. What's this kid saying?
Hey, Malachi. We're in the Valorant Discord.
I'll be right back, White. This is Mexican cartel dance.
Hey guys, I completely, totally, legitly did the parkour course.
Did you do the whole thing?
I've never cheated in my life.
Shit, he just jumped up.
Well, how far did you get?
Logan, listen to me. I would never just jump up with my
Didn't say that, guys.
Never
Yeah,
did.
Joey
I don't
just
know
said
why
that.
I was accused of that. That
I
was
don't know. I don't know what you're talking about.
That's not
Talking
something
to
I
me.
would do.
Jet, are you, Mason?
No.
He's an omen.
Right.
Or Ray.
Hey guys.
Hey, idiot.
Yeah,
I
pick
don't
up.
like you.
I don't like you either, homie.
It's okay. I love
What?
you.
Mr. Jet Insta-Lock.
Hey, listen. At least my parents are still
I
together.
got a fart.
Well, my dude.
Nice.
Drop it down.
Back, stand around.
Right up.
Enemy
Back
remaining.
left.
Back corner.
Let me back corner. Yeah, not back corner.
You're
Oh
not.
my god, you're so good.
Oh my
Those are
goodness!
terrible
Everything,
shots. Those
guys.
were atrocious.
Jesus Christ.
I must definitely
It's
should have
so
gone mid.
easy.
Heaven.
Oh my.
I shouldn't have said that.
Good job.
Yeah, blind as well.
What the hell?
Question mark.
Dude, thank God. Holy.
Honestly, just save.
Fuck it. He's too deep in.
Saving doesn't get you.
We're talking about the round, not your mom, Logan.
Yeah, I was a little worried there, actually.
It just made me bored.
Logan. Logan, I bought that. I literally bought that, Logan.
And you died. Then you died. So
Yeah, I
it's
saved
here,
the
Mason.
round
This
for us. I
is
literally
Mason. This is
saved
my
the
favorite
round.
meme.
I saved
It's free real
I'm
estate.
not
Here,
gonna
stay
buy
with
that.
me. Stay with me. Stay with me.
I'm just not
I'm
gonna
gonna get
buy
this
that.
kill. I'm
I'm
gonna
just
get this
not
kill.
gonna buy
Hey,
that.
I'm gonna get this kill. I'm gonna get. Dude, I'm getting this kill, and then I'm gonna drop it to him. Buy a vandal. 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 Good.
Got a phantom.
Fuck. See, I got the kill. I got it, Mason. Idiot.
There's some A long,
Stupid idiot.
Vandal.
What happened?
Baited by the candy, man.